islands, you're beating in my heart. You're with me no matter where I roam. If ever I wonder, if ever we're apart, I know that you will lead me home. If I should journey across the deep blue sea, I'll never forget these coral shores. Drums of the islands, I hear you calling me, and I'll return forever yours. I love each valley, each grain of sandy chill, the flowers, the music of the hours. These are the things that I love and always will. Though I may roam 1,000 miles, drums of the islands, you're beating in my heart. You're with me no matter where I roam. If ever I wonder, if ever we're apart, I know that you will lead me home. Waterfall tumbling right down the wall, waiting for you, my love, and me. I can see a lovely paradise built there within your eyes from my waterfall. Dream of your fantasies, a place for you and me, my love. Spread your wings and fly away. Fly to that distant star from my waterfall.